Here is the map where we are hiking from Planina Cook, where we park the car, and then go on the blue path to the Bohinj lake. How far is this? Here we can see that this is 5 centimeters, a little more is 2 kilometers, and yeah, we do, if you go direct, around 10 kilometers, but we go up and down, left and right. So yeah, and Vogel is, you see, here is the Vogel, here is the ski center Vogel, and yeah, here we are swimming. Morning view from our window. A lot of clouds, but we hope it won't be rain. Good morning. Next challenge. Yeah, today we started very early. We wake up at before 4 o'clock. Now it's 10 minutes to 6. We are on destination where we start walking. We came with a car from Nova Gorica, and yeah, now we go to Planina Razor and then to Bohinj. Yeah, it will be great day. Great morning views, and birds are singing. Perfect road from Tolmin to Planina Razor. Now we are at which level? 1040 meters. We go to Kočana Planini Razor, 2 hours in this way. First step of our trip. Triglav National Park, and we have 1 hour and 45 minutes to first cottage, Planina Razor. Flat road, great for warm up. Great view, and sun is coming out. Triglavski National Park, Triglav National Park, and special rules here. Yeah, here are mostly one kind of trees, we said in Slovenia. Bukel. Yeah, we enjoy. Yeah, sunny day. This one is Žabiski Kuk, and we go somewhere beside here. If you like to buy homemade cheese, butter, milk, you have there here. First part to rest. You can see here mountain ponds. Kali, what's this? You see here. And the rules in National Park of Triglav. Here we are. Now we go to Kočana Planini Razor, then to the highest point, Vogel, and then down to Ripčev Las, where we will swim Bohinj Lake. Pay attention where you are walking. And these mountains for next time. Behind them, here is Bohinj Lake. There we are going. First cows are here. When I was younger, here we pick up the blueberries. Yeah. And I remember that I was frightened about cows. Just half an hour to the first cottage, Planina Razor. Before on the map, now here. Such a perfect path that maybe you can go barefoot. As I say before, there is just one kind of tree. I don't know the word in English, but Vogel in Slovene. We go in the right direction. Yoo-hoo! Here is the first cottage. Under or over this. Yoo-hoo! Here we are. We come from Podkuk, Ljubin, and we go to Vogel. Vogel, yeah, we go in this way. Bye bye, cottage on Planina Razor. We come out of the forest. Yeah, now we need to look more under our shoes because the path goes up and down. Only the cow can walk out of the path because here are too much nice flowers. No more big trees, so we are higher and higher. Below us is Tolmin. Here it is, the biggest town from here. Where they are, I'm searching beside this branch. Yeah. Enjoying view. There we are going. So many flowers here beside the path. Now we are on the sun, and yeah, we put down the long jeans, and we will take we will have the t-shirts. I think about half of the way from Planina Razor to Vogel. What's wrong here? Nothing. Okay, time to go further. Oh, we came from here. Here is Planina Razor, and yeah, here is the Žabiski Kuk. One bunker here where the soldiers take place, and we go up to the Vogel. Yeah, these are not trees but bunch. I hear something there, but we didn't see. For sure is one animal. So beautiful views. Do you like them? In this way, Černa Prst, Rodica. Yeah, we walk this. Wow, the top is quite near. It's Thursday. We think that we are alone. Yeah, one group is there. Yeah, but it's nice during the week. You have perfect, just the voices of the nature. On the top. Woo-hoo-hoo! It's not 2000 meters, but it's a little less, 78 meters less. Who is first time here? I think everyone, but I was here I don't know how many times. I don't see the Bohinj lake, but it's over there, so we have a little more, not a little, but yeah, we will hike more. Present for coming to the top. Be barefoot. Some of us said that they are hungry. Yeah, we come from this side, this hill. This mountain is Žabiški Kuh. Because of them we didn't see the Vogel where we are now. Yeah, and we are going in this way in the direction of Bohinj. This cottage, this at the top of the hill, is Vogel ski center. First we go there, and then from there is 1 hour to Ripčovlas, where we will swim. I hardly wait Dominika too. Yeah, that we see. I never go in this way. Which path is the right one? I think in this way. And the highest point of our today trip is here, 1922 meters. The highest Slovenian mountain. Do you know which one it is? Yeah, Triglav, you are right. 2864 meters. And in this direction, current, this plošče. Yeah, super. Tolmin, as I said before, this is the biggest town near here. Yeah, I think about 5,000 people live in there. In it. Yeah. We are hungry, so fresh bread and vegetables. Bye bye, Vogel. We are going further. Where are we going? We will see. Once again to the top of the Vogel. From Vogel you go in direction to Curran and then to the right. Great. We don't go to the left to Planina Razor, but to the right. Ski Hotel Vogel. This will be the right direction, and Črna-Prst 2 hours. We are now on the level 1900 and go to ski center Vogel. Their directives. All the time also Triglav is in clouds. Yeah, maybe it will come out later. If you go in this way you go to mountain Črna-Prst, but we go to the ski center now. Here is something new. We see also the snow here. Yeah. center. Maybe this is the most dangerous part of the trip route, yeah. But it's here something to catch. Now the region Primorska, this part of Slovenia, which is much hotter. The sea is close, and then the opposite part, which is called Gorenska. Yeah, it's much colder, much more snow in the winter, and also the highest mountain, Triglav of Slovenia, is here. Yeah, ski center Vogel, but we don't have skis. Yeah, also snow is not there, but during the winter here is a ski center Vogel. Yeah, great spot if you come to Slovenia during the winter. Where to go now? In this way. Now we decided to go down, yeah, and in the way of Triglav. We go down very fast. We did great work here. That we see where we are. We think that this is one ski center. It's time for energy. Better than the bed. Yeah, we woke up early, so a little rest. Ski center, see you next time. Now we go to the Lake Bohinj. And now to the lower part of cable car. We go now from Planina Zadnji Vogel to Rjava Skala ski hotel. Half an hour more. Let's go. In some parts we need to go up. Yeah. Beautiful. Here we are, ski center Vogel. Yeah. Hola. Who will like to make the picture with these animals? Woohoo! And there is the bear. I'm happy that we find this Vogel. Maybe even better will be go down and swim in the lake, but this will come sooner. pair. Good. Yeah, super. In this way looks like Vogel in the summer, in the winter for skiing. Yeah, for sure, perfect spot. Great view to the mountains and enjoy. Llama. Yeah, great. 3 of them. Yoo-hoo, little ones. Mm-hmm. Oh. The view to the valley where the Bohinj lake is. Do you see the lake? It's under these trees.
Idemo na kjero stran bomo šli, na uno in na uno. Ko če od zadnji dol. Na koncu te otraje. Odkud dol smo trebali. Jaz me je vulca.
And the ski center. Yeah, great. For winter. I never ski here, but yeah, interesting spot. We need to come. The easiest way to Ripčolas is in this way. Let's go. Bye bye. The highest point of ski cable. Great. Ripčolas, 2 hours. We will see how will we need. Belvi. Now we see the lake. Yeah, lower there, but it is. We love that the path is going down, and we hope that it will not go up. Yeah, we are tired a little. The view which is worth to stop. Great path in the shadow. It's better than that there is nothing on them, because it will take us a little more time to come down. Yum yum yum. Perfect strawberries. It will be easier to come down. Yoo-hoo! We see the lake, Bohinj Lake. Yoo-hey! I like this. Ooh, level of the lake. Yeah, it's a little lower, but we go down. Yoo-hoo, now we know where we are, because there is the route to the climbing spot. very close to Ribče Vlas. Yoo-hoo! On the left, climbing spot. And now to the center part of Ribče Vlas. The big wall for climbing. Yeah, lake. We are waiting for this moment to go in Bohinj lake. Yeah, great. What a spot. Let's go. Action. We have all the equipment for swimming. It's so great to walk barefoot and be near the lake. We do first fresh up, but we will stay here longer. If you are a climber, you can go up. No, better no. Ambrosch? You're cool. Yeah, it's hard to believe, but yeah, from this here is the Vogel ski place, and then we walk in this way here to swim in the river. Great. Magic day. Now with the bus back home from Ribče Vlas to Bohinjska Bistrica. Yeah, it's great.
A kdo bude zlobit, nepůjde na příště už. Bude spát do stanu. To je dobré nápad. Příště dobrý nápad. Je tam sama, budem na příště.
Dreamy day, I can say in this way. Bohinjska Bistrica, we are waiting for a train from here, Bohinjska Bistrica to Nova Gorica.